Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Dion Ramadhani, or usually call me Dion. I'm a student majoring in Information Technology, Computer Engineering Study Program, Class 2E at Samarinda State Polytechnic. On normal days, I wake up at 6-7 a.m. But during this fasting moon, I often wake up at 3 or 4 a.m. Sometimes I stay up late to play games or watch movies until sahur time arrives. After that, I don't forget to prepare food for sahur. When I'm about to eat sahur, I don't forget to make a warm tea drink. Warm tea is my favorite drink, especially when drunk at sahur time because it can warm the body and make my mood better. Before going to campus, as usual, I take a shower first, then put on clothes. The route I most often take to campus is via PT Pranoto. But if I have limited time and want to be faster, I will go via the Polytechnic campus road or Teluk Prima and drop the back gate of the campus. Today, there is a database system course taught by Mr. Rihartanto. The material presented by Mr. Rihartanto is about linked list. What is a linked list? Linked list is a data structure in the form of a sequence of elements where each element is linked to the next element. Each element in a linked list is called a node. And what is a node? A node is an individual element in a linked list. Each node consists of two parts, data and next. Data is used to store the actual value, and next is used to store the address of the next node in the sequence. As in the picture, nodes are individual elements. In a node, there are two parts, namely data and link or next. Data is a place to store the actual value, while link or next as a place to store the next node address. Pointer here function is a variable that stores other memory addresses. In a linked list, the address of the first node is always stored as a preference node, called from or head. The next value from the last node must be null. The addresses with a value of 1001 is the node address, same as the explanation at the beginning of the blue column. Is a place to store the actual value. The yellow column is a place to store the next addresses. The number 1004 is the address that will be the node address on the next node. Then in the yellow column below, the number 1008 will also be the node addresses on the next node, and so on until the end of the note the number that was originally valuable, but if it has reached the last note or tile, then it has a value of null. After class hours were over, I went straight home to my boarding house to rest. I went to my boarding house through Polytechnically so as not to have to go too far around and pass through traffic lights. When I arrived at my boarding house, I cleaned myself first, then got up to rest. A welter like this perfect for taking a nap. The fasting moon certainly has to hold back hunger and thirst. Most people during the day prefer to sleep rather than to activities. It's also daytime, so there must be temptation coming. It's very suitable for a situation like that to use it to hibernate until it's time to break the fast. It's nice to live as cat who can eat and drink. My routine after Isha and Tarawih prayers is nothing but playing games and washing. As a closing to quit tiring days. Playing games instead of relieving fatigue actually makes me angrier. Why I decided to study computer engineering is because of my interest in the world of computers, which I have had since I was in high school. The best part of being a computer engineering student is I gained new knowledge and new thoughts. At first, I thought that computer engineering was just studying computers, but I turned out that I gained a lot of new knowledge and new things. I like learning computer engineering because I have a hobby in operating computers or laptops, especially in typing, which I find very satisfying when I hear the sound of the keyboard. The most stressful moment as a computer engineering student is during practice, namely operating practical equipment, which is very expensive and prone to damage if even the slightest error occurs. As a computer engineering student, I often face the challenge of having to understand lessons that I have never encountered before.
Akak, mana senyuman akak? Mana ada? Mana senyuman manis? Mana senyum macam ni?